When and why should you consider having an inspection done prior to listing your home on the market? In our area, it's customary for the buyers to pay for inspections. But when would it be advantageous for a seller to do them prior to going active? I don't always recommend this, but here are a few examples as to why having inspections done prior to a listing is helpful. It can end up saving you time and money. Hi, I'm Shannon Comstock with Remax Gold. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want any unexpected costs to come up that you weren't aware of. I've seen inspections come up with high costs. Imagine getting a bill for thousands of dollars, and the only way the buyers will buy the home is if it's fixed or paid for. But what if you have already purchased another home and need that, say, $20,000 to qualify for your next home? This would create a huge problem. What about this? Let's say you found out that the home you are selling needs a new roof or air conditioning unit to be replaced. You could do a few things: sell the home in its current condition and disclose the issues, or not sell at all, or take what needs to be done and fix it before it goes on the market. The idea behind getting inspections done prior so that there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections we recommend are the standard, customary inspections that a buyer would do. I recommend a home inspection, a pest inspection, and an HVAC inspection. You'll need to pay these up front. In regards to the home inspection and pests, it's helpful but not mandatory to make sure all the health and safety items are fixed. These may include active fungus, leaks that are causing the active fungus, and of course, remediate termites if they are found. These are the very common requests that buyers have. It helps the seller because they have much more assurance that they will actually net what it is that they thought when going into escrow. It gives them peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable, outlandish repairs. It also cuts down on inspection times. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and need every penny out of the sale to secure and close on their new purchase. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home that is move-in ready condition. Also, if there is bank financing on the property, some loan programs require health and safety items, including termite work, to be completed prior to closing escrow. So with that already being completed, there's further assurance that the loan will go through. In the end, the seller, buyer, and lender have more confidence throughout the entire transaction that the home will actually close. Remember, with Shannon Comstock at Remax Gold, digital spark and heart set your home apart. I'm here to help.